Hi guys, I am back with another video. But if you like this style, please continue watching my video.
Life on that line. LOL.
The hair that I'll be using this evening is African Collection 82 inches in the color dark purple. I'm also using X-pression's 48 inches 2 times pre-stretch braid in the color 1B. Here's a visual of the size I'm going for at the start of both braids. I start off with 3 smaller pieces, then the sizing gets larger. The longer length will be added to extend the braid. For the longer length, my sizing is larger. To mold my hair, I'm using Shine and Jam. I'm going to start off by parting my hair slanted. I'm also using this jam to clean up my parts. I'm going to part out a section in the front and separate it. I'm going to part in between and add Shine and Jam throughout this entire section. Once I'm done, I'm going to comb this section, then I'm going to begin my braid. I'm going to start by braiding my natural hair towards the back. I parted out a section on the other side and I'm going to separate that as well. I followed the same exact steps and now I'm going to take these 2 braids and sew them together as if they're one braid. I'm taking the hair that I left out and I'm applying Shine and Jam on both sides. I'm going to do the feed-in method, but this time I'm going to stitch braid this portion of my hair.
I'm on the hill.
Now that I've braided the portion that I left out, I'm going to continue adding hair. I'm adding hair very loosely. I want my braids thick, so I'm going to add my hair until I get the desired size. As I braid down, I'm going to go back and forth, measuring, because I don't want this braid to exceed the first braid. I'm going to secure this braid to make sure it doesn't unravel while I fluff out the braid to create the butterfly effect. I start at the bottom by pulling the outer corners of the braid. I go back and forth to make sure that the braid is fluffed out to my liking. I'm going to sew the butterfly braid to my natural braid to make sure that the butterfly braid is anchored down really well.
Breathe, I'm on the ill.
I'm going to continue the same steps on the opposite side of my head. I'm going to untie both rubber bands and braid these two braids together in one big braid. I'll continue to add the dark purple until I get the desired length. At the end of the braid, I'll leave the hair out because I want the curl effect. I'm using foam. I'm adding 3 perm rods to the ends. I'm going to dip in hot water to get the curls I desire. If you made it to the end of this video, thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you click the notification bell so you can keep up with me.